QIA cordially invites you to attend the 2022 Joint ASQ Inspection Division and Greater Houston Section Conference, happening on September 29 at the Sheraton Houston Brook Hollow Hotel. QIA is a proud platinum sponsor of the 2022 Joint ASQ Conference. Mr. Wali Alam, President of QIA, will be the keynote speaker at the conference. He has several leadership roles in ASQ in Houston, mainly Chair of the Houston Section, Conference Chair of the Quality Management Division, and he personally pioneered the first two conferences in Houston. QISS Software, developed by QIA, is a step forward towards automating your quality management system, and we take great pride in playing a major role in the enhancement of quality management systems. Established in 1994, QIA is the pioneer of the implementation of automated QHSE systems, both in the United States and other parts of the world. I'm Michael Pryor, Director of Business Development for QIA, and I also will be presenting a paper to this conference on the subject of non-conformance management. This is a great opportunity to ask the business questions you need answered. Please attend our short demo at the Sheraton Hotel's Magnolia Room, and then come see us at our booth in the conference. Thank you.